Yeah, so I'm gonna cut this cauliflower into 3/4 cut inches.
3/4 inch.
3/4.
3/4.
3/4. Okay.
Don't even, it doesn't matter.
I'm
Just
gonna
be like,
cut
I'm
this
gonna
into
thick slices.
Okay. Welcome back to another episode of From Korea with Fusion. I'm James.
And I'm Irene.
And today we're back with one of my favorite jang.
Ssamjang. Yeah, it's like the classic Korean barbecue staple.
I really love it. It's like umami, savory taste, and it's perfect for dipping with vegetables or great with pork belly or meat, or you can even add it to your soup for that perfect cozy dish.
This ssamjang is naturally vegan, so I feel like it'd be really good to make like a plant-based recipe.
Yeah.
To highlight it. What do you have in mind?
I am thinking some sort of a roasted cauliflower with like a yogurt lemony ssamjang sauce all over it.
Oh, that sounds delightful. Let's try it.
So I'm gonna cut the cauliflower into thick slices.
Oh, okay.
It's a great way to turn a vegetable into a main dish.
Love that. All right, in the meantime, I'm going to make a little marinade for your steak. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of oil and some ssamjang.
I love the pouch format because you can easily take it to go for like camping or if you're going to your friend's house to cook.
And then a little bit of salt. All right, mix this up. All right, here we go.
So I'm brushing my Ssamjang olive oil mixture directly on top of a cauliflower steak. And since this marinade has olive oil, we do not need to have a separate oil on the cast iron.
Ssamjang also like comes in the classic tubs, which are great to like scoop out of. And then also these tubes.
The tubes are perfect for like adding the veggie dipping sauce. I just squeeze directly on top of a cucumber or like carrots, and it's just one less dish to do. And the package has a new logo design as well. And while this pan is hot, I'm going to sear this side.
Oh my God, it smells amazing already.
Wow. As the ssamjang hits the hot pan, it smells like it's getting like wonderfully caramelized. Oh, look at that. Ooh.
All right, now I'm gonna make our ssamjang yogurt sauce. And then lots of Greek yogurt. Squeeze in some lemon juice while I zest. How's that?
That looks perfect. Here comes our Ssamjang cauliflower steak.
Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna top with a little bit of parsley.
And just like that, we made a humble vegetable into a beautiful centerpiece. So I'm gonna finish with just a little freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then let's give it a try.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That sauce is so good.
I can really taste the umami-ness of ssamjang here. And it goes so well with the tangy coolness of Greek yogurt. And the finishing freshly squeezed lemon really brought everything together.
It would be really good, like kicked up with spice too. So we could definitely try it again with like the spicy ssamjang next time.
Totally. You can easily use this with any other vegetables. You can do it with cabbage or you can do it with broccoli.
Mushrooms.
Mushroom.
Yeah.
This is a really good recipe to use any sort of plant-based cooking. So let us know in the comments what type of vegetables you want to use to cook the ssamjang Greek yogurt sauce. Well, this was so good that I'm gonna have for another bite, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! So good.